How to schedule a Bank of America appointment online. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow up to schedule it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can directly go ahead and search for Bank of America appointment. And this one right here, we'll be finding a site called Schedule an Appointment within Bank of America. So go ahead and click on this option, and that should head us to the space right here where we can start the process. So here, we can choose up what we need help with. For example, everyday banking, investment, home loans, business advances, etc. So if you want to schedule an appointment, for example, everyday banking, you can click on that option. And you can select what you would like to discuss, such as opening a new account, meet with a notary service, or any other. So for example, opening an account, you can click on that, click on next, choose one of the reason for that. And once you do so, you can select if you want to do it at a nearby financial center or over the phone. You can select one of the options. Once you've done that, you need to enter up a zip code. So enter up a zip code here, and then click on this option, go search. Once you click on search, you will be headed towards this page, and you can select up a date. When would you like to call them? So you can select, for example, this date right here, and select up a slot where the appointment is available. Once it is done, you can click on next and enter up your contact details and confirm. And then your appointment will be booked very easily. You do not need to do anything more. And you can also do through online banking mobile application and log into your account and schedule an appointments, follow the same steps and do so. And you can choose up a time that suits you, ensure the right bank specialist is available, and avoid long waiting times. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.